Hello everyone. We're still seeing some snow this morning, but not much. We're just talking about flurries and spots. So some will get lucky and have a dry morning commute. And if you do see snow, it is going to be very light, so you can give yourself the normal amount of time to get to work or school this morning. Notice this model is actually completely dry at 8 a.m. But the models do tend to miss out on the flurries. So I'm still going to mention the chance for a few flakes of snow flying around through the morning hours. Certainly looking very cloudy through the morning hours. But I do think once we get to noon, we're done with the flurries. And notice, see the cloud cover just starting to break up a little bit beginning around noon. I do think this is going to be a very gradual process, and I do want to stress that most of the day there's going to be a lot of cloud cover around, but maybe by the time we get into the very late afternoon, early evening hours, we will transition to partly cloudy skies. So a very gradual decrease in cloud cover beginning around noon, when that chance for flurries will come to an end. The big story today is just a cold day. Look at these temperatures at noon. Low to mid 20s. I think most of us will probably top out in the mid 20s early afternoon, 1, 2 o'clock, but I do need to mention that some could get stuck in the low 20s, especially if it takes a little bit longer for that cloud cover to break up. And the other thing I've got to say is it's not going to be feeling this warm. Breezy, gusts around 20 miles per hour, so a wind chill factor. We're talking about feels like temperatures only being in the teens today. So that's what you need to be prepared for this afternoon. So look at 10 o'clock this evening. Partly cloudy skies and temperatures in the mid-teens. But this is probably as cold as it's going to get, because now we're going to jump ahead to 5 a.m. tomorrow morning, and look what's happened. Unlike most nights where it just keeps getting colder and colder, look how temperatures have gone up. 5 a.m. tomorrow morning, now we're back in the upper teens, low 20s, because guess what? A warm front is going to be lifting over us, and as it does, snow coming back. So I've got to bring back the snow chance. 5 a.m. very late tonight, early tomorrow morning, and unfortunately it looks like this warm front is going to be right over us in the Quad Cities about 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. So for the morning commute tomorrow, unlike this morning where we're just seeing some flurries, we're talking about scattered light to moderate snow showers. No heavy snow, but I do think there's a pretty good chance that you will encounter some light or moderate snow driving to work or school tomorrow morning. So visibility is reduced a little bit, some snow-covered roads. It's not going to be a nightmare of a morning commute, but I will say anytime we got scattered snow showers over us, good idea to give yourself a couple extra minutes to get to work or school tomorrow morning. But the good news is this is a warm front, so we do have some good news in the temperature situation. So here we are, upper 20s at 8 a.m. By the time we get to 11 a.m. tomorrow morning, notice we're past that period of scattered activity, and by 11 a.m. we're just talking about isolated snow or rain showers now, because now we're on the warm side of the warm front, and as temperatures get into the mid-30s, then rain becomes a possibility. So isolated activity still. For the late morning, very early afternoon, so around lunchtime tomorrow, and it's still real cloudy, but by 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, the clouds starting to break up again. We're done with the rain and snow showers, and look at high temperatures tomorrow. Going the right direction. We're talking about highs in the mid to upper 30s tomorrow. Only negative is, yes, it's still going to be breezy, gusts around 25 miles per hour, but we will take the warmer temperatures.